In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over 200 bucks over and over again within a few minutes with just a few clicks. You don't need to stress yourself over anything. Simply visit this brand new website and use this unique new Google trick that I will be teaching you in this video. By following and implementing these steps, you can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars daily. And if you're planning to get started from different countries, no worries, because this unique online money-making opportunity works worldwide, and you get paid in many different payment methods. They can pay you via PayPal, Payeer, Skrill, and bank transfers. And if you can stay tuned till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get free bonus money when you sign up. And this is going to be a brand new website that has never been revealed to anyone. Not only that, I will also show you how to set the ultimate Google settings, which is a very unique, powerful Google trick that I will be teaching you. And if you implement this trick, you can make 4 times more money than other people. So you wouldn't want to miss out on this unique trick that I will be revealing to you in this video. So if you're watching this video, kindly hit the subscribe button below this video, give it a like, and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss out on any awesome videos that I'll be dropping as time goes on. And if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, I encourage you to leave a comment down below. Now let's continue from where we stopped. Now the first step that you need to do if you want to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars using Google is you need to visit this website called shrinkme.io. Shrinkme.io is a URL shortener website that can pay you above 200 bucks per 10,000 views. To confirm if this website is legitimate or not, you can come over here and open this payment option proof tab on the right-hand side of the website here, and you will see all of the real-time payments they pay their users. As you can see here, all payments are made using different payment methods. You can also see how much they have paid their users in real time. But before you could make money on this website, you need to go through 3 easy steps. Step 1. You need to create and sign up for your account. Step 2. You need to start shortening your links and share these links with other people. Don't worry, I will teach you the step-by-step method of doing this in the next video. The last step is all about earning your money. Now, you need to listen attentively to what I'm going to share in this video, and you need to implement the exact strategy if you want to get good results. To get started with your free account creation, just place your cursor to this top right-hand corner where the register button is. Just click on this link and register for the brand new membership. After signing up for a free account, you automatically get $1 as a free sign-up bonus. And when you've made up to $5, you can start cashing out your money. I'm going to reveal the exact step-by-step Google trick method that I'm using to make money today. The main reason why I love this website is that they do payouts every day, unlike other websites that do payouts weekly. Another reason is that they use different payment methods, meaning you can use any payment method you like to cash out your earnings. If you're operating from a different country, you can receive your payment on this website, and again, their minimum payment is just $5. It becomes very easy once you make $5. You can begin cashing out money to whatever payment methods you want. So here's how it works. The unique method that we're going to be using on this website is we will visit YouTube, find a good video, we will get the link of that video, and then paste the link on this website bar. We will also shorten the link and share the link to various platforms. And when a visitor clicks on your link, you automatically make money. And it's that easy. We also have different payment rates for different countries. And I'm going to show you the different payment rates that you'll receive if people from Greenland click on your link. If people from Greenland click on your link, you're going to earn $22 per 1,000 views. If you get people from the United States to click on your link, you'll earn $10. That's the reason why you need to use the Google trick to ensure that people from Greenland are clicking on your link so that you can earn $22 per 1,000 views. That's right. That's why I'm going to show you how to find the best videos on YouTube. After all, good videos are the best for this opportunity because bad videos will not give you a lot of money. The best way to go about this is, we're going to shorten the link of the best video. We will visit Google and use a very unique trick to multiply your money and make a lot of money with this method. I'm very happy to show you how the system works. If you guys are getting value while watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's continue. Like we said earlier, we will visit YouTube to search for the best video. Now, the best performing videos that I've ever seen are all about weight loss. In this world, so many people want to learn how to lose weight. So let's go for weight loss videos as our best videos. Simply go to YouTube, type in weight loss videos, click on filter, click on this week, and choose the best performing video this week. Locate the highest viewed video, copy the link of the highest viewed video, and paste the link on the tab at shrinkme.io to shorten the link. All you need to do now is highlight the shortened link, go back to Google, and search for weight loss forums. When you click on search, you're going to find a lot of different forums where you can share the link with people who are interested in weight loss. So we will go ahead and join one of these forums. And hey, make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video, because I will show you the #1 trick on how you can get people from Greenland to click on your link, so that you can make more money. As you can see here, let's assume you get people from Sweden. You'll earn $5. But if you can get people from Greenland, you'll make 4 times of that money. This is insane. I'll show you exactly how to do this in just a moment. Let's go back to the forum. Simply sign up for a free account on that weight loss forum. I strongly recommend using a fake name and username, and then register for a free account. You can repeat the same strategy on different forums. The more forums you can find, the more links that you can share out there, and the more people are going to click on your link. But we are interested in getting people from Greenland and the United States to click on your link so that we can make money. And how can we achieve this? Please be attentive and ensure you don't miss out here, because this is a secret tactic that I want to reveal to you. When you do a different search on Google, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this setting. So when you want to click on settings, and you're going to find the advanced search. Click on that, and then right here, you're going to see this region. The region that you want to filter them on. For example, Greenland. By doing that, you can find a lot of forums specifically in Greenland. And then you just repeat the same method, and that's how you can get a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link. But again, unfortunately, the forum that is available in Greenland is very limited. That's why the second thing that you can do is that you can do it in Ireland or the United States. Again, you can go back to Google and just go back to the settings and over the region and just find what country you want. You can repeat the same method again and again, and you can find different weight loss videos on YouTube. This method is 100% legitimate, no hidden stuff. This is ethical to use, and you will not get banned because you're simply sharing other people's videos. The amazing thing about this Google trick method is that you can focus on a specific location and make more money. You can also use different methods to share this link. You can share this link on social media platforms, YouTube comments, and any other platforms having high traffic. The more people click on your link, the more money you'll make. As you can see, this method is very easy. Anyone can implement it. Just follow the step-by-step method in this video and you're going to get good results. That's the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.